entrance. Check. Kiosk. Now let's go through the loop. It's Monday, September 16th. They're closing this loop, and this is Loop B. Loop A also is being closed. They will be repaving, so I'm just documenting the current state of the old road to see what it looks like afterwards compared to before. Everybody's packing up to go home. It's unfortunate that this loop isn't staying open. I actually would have wanted to stay longer, especially in an electric spot. Very nice couple of wide open spots there. Back to the road. Hey, hi. Okay, we are now wrapping up on loop. I think I called that loop B before, but it's loop A. Now we'll be going, and that was a trailer loop. Now we're going to be going into the tent loop. Now this is the one where the road is actually quite bumpy. So, it's going to really work my shoulder holding this camera stable. At least it has a big time stabilization feature in it on the road. Oh, you know. Texas. Probably the furthest state I remember seeing the plate from. I cannot talk today. On our right is the bridge. Everyone likes the bridge. So you can see it. Bridge. Check this road out right here. So this is hard to pick up on the camera, but it's quite bumpy. There's the footpath. It's also pretty bumpy. Get that next. There's me. Spot 70. 69. 71. Oh, that is a big old hole. Alright, oh, here's my new favorite spot, number 72. Let's see if she gets changed. I'll show you why this is the favorite. We've got a nice large pad for deploying the lift. Sink disposal. Electricity. Water. All in sight. And it's pretty closed off, as you can see. Right here is pretty close. You can park a car right here, and then there's a ton of privacy. All right, back on to the show. Ooh. I just glanced at my power levels, and probably somewhere around 55 to 60% according to the voltage, but it's hard to trust that. Let's look at this. Ooh. All right, we're just gonna go over these bumps again. Actually, these sweats look pretty cool. And this will conclude the Silver Falls campsites loop A and B, current condition of the road. And we'll maybe come back sometime in November. That's my hopes, is to come back at least once every other month. See how this place is doing during the winter revival. And I should get these restrooms real quick. They are getting demolished from what I hear. And I'll take a quick look at them. It's the last time I see them. These are the ones from late 80s. I guess that's not a good picture of him. Let's see. Let's get demoed. There she is. That's the bathroom. Alright. Take one little path, and this is the worst one of them all. And then we're going to check out. It's insane bump right here. I would take a quick little glance at the playground. The hut of some sort. I forgot what this is called. Junior Ranger Shelter. And the bathrooms. Goodbye, bathrooms. Alright. And that'll do it.